Do you know how a butterfly comes to life? It is a pretty awesome transformation. The life cycle of a butterfly is also known as metamorphosis. It goes through four stages: the egg, the caterpillar, also known as larva, the chrysalis, also known as pupa, and the adult butterfly. The egg is the first stage in the life cycle of a butterfly. Here in this photo, we can see many eggs on a leaf. Butterflies usually lay eggs on leaves or the stems of plants. The egg can vary in size and shape depending on the species. It also varies on the time it takes for the eggs to hatch. Some can take anywhere from 5 days to a couple of weeks. The caterpillar or the larva stage is the second stage in metamorphosis. Wouldn't you think that when the eggs hatch, a butterfly comes out of them? Actually, a caterpillar hatches out of the eggs. The caterpillar is very hungry and begins to eat almost immediately after it hatches and throughout most of this stage. The caterpillar grows a lot in this stage and can be up to 100 times larger than when it hatched from the egg. The caterpillar stays in this stage anywhere from a couple of weeks, months, or even years. The third stage in the life cycle is the chrysalis or the pupa stage. This stage is when the caterpillar goes into a pupa, also known as a chrysalis, which is a vessel where the caterpillar turns into a butterfly. Here in this picture, we can see a caterpillar forming into the pupa. This stage is where the transformation into a butterfly occurs from the parts of the caterpillar. The caterpillar stays in the pupa for around 1 to 2 weeks. Finally, the butterfly stage. Here in this picture, we can see the butterfly emerging from the chrysalis, or the pupa. When the butterfly emerges from the chrysalis, the butterfly is not able to begin flying right away. Its wings are crumpled and wet, so the butterfly has to wait for them to dry while pumping liquid through them to make them big and strong. The butterfly is able to take flight and search for flowers to feed on after this. Metamorphosis begins and ends with an adult butterfly. It is a very interesting process, and as you can tell, there are many parts that go along with the life cycle of a butterfly. Butterflies are pretty awesome insects.